Here you can see a similar table. And now I want to extract all the city names from this table. If I type select city from table, then it's written this kind of table. If you notice, then you can see it print Chicago City twice. So this command returned as it is city column. But I want to consolidate report. I don't want to repeated city name in my result. Something like that. There is no duplicacy in this result. It prints Chicago once. If we want to extract result like this, in that case we need to use distinct keyword. Here you can see select distinct column name city from table. Let's say the proper syntax. First you need to type select command, then you need to type distinct keyword, and you need to provide columns name. Then we need to use from keyword, and we need to provide table's name. So let's start the practical and see how we can use distinct keyword. So once again I back to my MySQL Workbench application, and you can see all the students' cities. Most of the students are from Delhi. Only Rahul came from Kolkata. So first I'm going to remove this code, and then I'm going to type select distinct, and then we need to provide column name city from our table personal. Let's execute this code. If I execute this code, you can see it written Delhi and Kolkata. It do not repeat our city name Delhi. And now I want to extract all the age group from the personal table. So I'm going to remove city and I'm going to type age. If I execute this code, you can see it return 3 results, 19, 18 and 20. Not only that, also we can order this age column. Just we need to type order by, and we need to provide column name age. So if I execute this code, you can see it ordered our result. First it print 18, then it print 19, then it print 20. So it sort our column in a ascending order. We use distinct keyword to remove duplicacy and get the unique result. I hope it's clear for you why we use order by and distinct keyword in MySQL command. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.